leave him to the side. Alright. Logan B. Matt. Holla at your boy. Alright. That was my fucking toe. Alright, so we have a scene for you today called Double Space, in which these actors, these performers, they will perform a scene for you. And fun fact, I just got a call from the producers. We have enough money in the budget to buy some space! Alright, I'm gonna need all of you out of the space. I'm gonna need all three of you. Come on. Alright, so with these chairs, I've set up a space. And you're not supposed to be in that space! Get the fuck out of it! I can't work with actors! Alright, speaking of space, I just saw Interstellar recently, which I'm pretty sure is a Christopher Nolan film. I don't know, but I'm gonna need a suggestion for what Christopher Nolan's next movie should be about.
Alright, Washington Drive, it's hard.
Roller skates.
Growing grass.
Cornfield.
Giving birth. Wisconsin. Giving birth.
Alright, I have heard too many times giving birth.
Yeah.
Take it as you will.
Oh my
Players,
God.
are you ready? I'm so sorry. They're usually very much like this. Players, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh my God, yes.
I can't! Players, are you ready?
Yes.
Begin!
Oh my God, it's coming. Oh my God, it's coming.
Doctor, what have I made?
I'm a toddler. Why is it so ugly?
Aren't all toddlers kind of like that?
That is true.
I think I'm beautiful.
You don't even know what you look like.
Can I grab a mirror? Can I have a mirror?
Hold on. Piece of shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'm still attached to you. I'd rather you not.
Can you just snip that?
Please.
There you
A few
go.
hours ago.
Snip, snip.
Well, why did you make me? Unmake me. God, I wish I could.
It's a few months late for that.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what to do now. What do I do? Oh, Mom.
Cry, that's pretty typical.
Doctor knows best.
And scene! Alright, I know I told you to stay out of space, but like, you gotta explore the space around it. It's a metaphor, you people! I can't... Alright, I'm gonna need you here. Actually, no, I don't even like you there. You go over there, you get over here.
You got it, boss.
I am the boss, that is true.
Boss baby.
I'm going to fucking die. I do all the work around here. You get in the middle. That's you. You!
Let's go, Rainbow.
You will never work in this city again when I'm done with you! Fucking unions! This is your space! Look at me! No! That is not for sitting! Stand like the worthless scum you are! You only have one stool at this point. What in the name of...
Leave while you still can.
No! No, let me go! No! I'll do it myself. Hey, look at me. Look. Hi. Use that! I need you to use that, okay? And I need to see that scene again, but this time with more emotion. Know your characters, and don't give your spaces, okay? Begin!
Oh my God! Stop it! Wow, I just came out and I flew all the way this way.
Oh my God, it came!
I got some velocity on that one, you see?
Yeah,
You're
you're packing a cannon.
Hell yeah, I am. I'm born. God, did you bounce against a wall on your way over there? How the fuck did you get so ugly?
You're not. All babies are ugly.
Doctor, get in a mirror.
Alright, hold on.
Wow, I can hardly see from over there. I think I'm gonna need glasses when I'm older.
Oh, yeah.
Probably.
Okay, yeah, I'm hideous.
Yeah, you're a piece of shit.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. So can I just go back? Because I don't like how.
God, no, we're social distancing for a fucking reason. Not COVID.
God, yeah, you're a few months late on that option.
Can you just like abort me?
Also a bit late.
Yeah, I also can't reach the coat hangers. Sorry.
What do you think you should do, Doc?
Do you want me to snip that for you?
Sure. I don't know how it got so long. It's kind of.
I mean, like, you could just, like, if you got some slack, you could, like, toss in the cord. Yeah. Snip, snip. There you go. You're free.
What do I do with the rest of it?
I don't know. Wait for it to fall off.
And see, what the fuck was that? You have lost chair privileges. To the back. You will never. And you, I will get to you in a minute. Over here. You were amazing. I loved every second of it. You convinced me you were someone, something. I need you, front and center. Come on, work me. And you fill me with such rage. I'm going to need you. Here's what you're going to do. I never want to look at you again. Like, you disgust me.
I feel the same way.
I need you to close the curtains and stay behind the curtains, alright? And I'm going to need you to move away.
Look at me, I did that all by myself.
No, you didn't! You are a worthless pile of crap! One more time. Let's do it right. Players, are you ready?
Yes.
Scene, begin.
Oh my God, Doctor! I think it's coming.
Wow, it just flew all the way out of the room.
Oh my God, it came.
I sure did.
Where the fuck is it?
I'm over here.
How'd you get over there?
I don't know.
That's one hell of a cannon in your packet, let me tell you.
Hey, Doc, quick question. I can't see it, but should it sound so ugly?
I mean, probably all babies are ugly pieces of shit.
Well, I think my voice is beautiful.
You shouldn't.
Can I get a microphone to hear my playback of my voice, I guess?
I'd give you one, but like, I can't really reach you.
Oh, Doctor, you can just do an impression of it.
Oh, it's true. Goo goo gaga.
Terrible. Unmake me, please.
Little wait for that, buddy.
Put me back.
Yeah, no, I think we're just gonna shut the door in this case.
Oh, okay. All right, I guess.
Well, we'll just leave you back there. I mean, like, your mom can just head out.
Oh, okay. Is someone gonna come get me? I can't walk because I was being on the board and everything.
I'm sure, like, a nurse will come eventually. Do you need me to snip that for you?
I don't know, I think we can like help some kids like some jump rope over.
Yeah, I'm sure you can do that.
Go for it. Snip away.
Alright, here. Hold on, I almost got it. There it is. Snip, you're finally free from that ugly piece of shit.
I can hear you still.
That's not my problem.
So this, am I just supposed to drag it behind me, or?
I mean, I guess.
And scene!
Hey.
Stand.
Okay. Yeah, what's up?
This
Yeah?
is why I pushed you. I knew you had it in you. That is all we have time for. The producers are going to love this. Thank you all very much. Woo!